Malacanang in the north. This is the way. Your beautiful smile, ladies.
Yes.
Yeah. This is Yoli. This is Lily. This is Unyong.
From Mental.
And the other people are from Lawag. And the other lady from New York. From New York.
From New York, New York.
New York, wow.
The favorite song.
And this is our driver, Mang June.
Who loves to smile every day.
Yeah.
Tinatanong pala ni Nanette. Tinatanong pala ni Nanette, anong oras tayo dadating para alam niya kung imit-imigay sa airline ticket. Kasi ayaw niya pumunta pala ang Bengal.
Now, malapit na kami. We are now... Ayun.
14 lang. Going soon. 24:10 lang pala ang layo niya sa Colmao. Hawaii.